St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bond County, southwestern Montgomery County, southeastern Macoupin County in southwestern Illinois, northeastern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, until 3:45 a.m. At 3 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Olive, or 6 miles northeast of Stockton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Litchfield, Harrodsboro, Staunton, Gillespie, Mount Olive, Renault, Borden, Livingston, Taylor Springs, Coffin, Alhambra, Schramm City, Wilsonville, Sorrento, Sawyerville, Mount Clair, East Gillespie, Garville, Reno, and Hamel. This includes the following state parks: Lake Louis. This includes Interstate 55 in Illinois between exits 30 and 52. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Report severe weather to your nearest law enforcement agency or the National Weather Service office in St. Louis, Missouri. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for